Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to download Crushed Wallet desktop version. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to download Crushed Wallet application on Index tab, the first thing to do is to make sure that you've installed an Android emulator. Open up a web browser and go and download any kind of an Android emulator that you want. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks Android emulator. Simply type in www.bluestacks.com and then press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of BlueStacks, which looks like this. Click on the Download BlueStacks 5 button in green. You can also check all of the versions of the BlueStacks Android emulator. Once you click on the green button, it will download BlueStacks 5 for your PC. Once the installer is downloaded for BlueStacks, open up the file and install it on your Windows. Once you are done installing BlueStacks 5 and it is ready for use, click open the application and launch it on. Once you open up your BlueStacks, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Click on the Play Store button available on the main homepage and your Play Store will open up. All of the applications that are available on your Android Play Store will be available for your PC as well if you install the BlueStacks Android emulator. Once they open up Google Play, search for Trust Wallet into the search box. By typing in Trust Wallet and search, you'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. Click the Install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. We're down to the Trust Wallet app gets downloaded for your PC. Once the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to open up the application just fine. Wait until it installs on your computer. And then you'll be able to open up the application for your computer. Click on the Open button popping up right next to it. And there you have successfully downloaded Trust Wallet application for your desktop. To launch the app, open and get it working, you'll need to visit your BlueStacks Android emulator, click it to open it, and in the app drawer where all of your application is downloaded, you should be able to find the Trust Wallet app for future use. Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet company based in California. And it provides a fully security audited system that makes it simple to store your cryptocurrency. You can find Trust Wallet application on Android and iOS device as well. Go to your Play Store and tap on the search bar 1, type in Trust Wallet, and tap on the Install button. As soon as you find this application right here, tap Install. Wait for the download to begin. Wait for it to install on your device as well. After it is done, you will see an Open button. Tap on it and you have downloaded Trust Wallet on your Android device successfully. If you already have a wallet account, tap I already have a wallet. If you are new to Trust Wallet, tap on Create a new wallet. And here's how you can download Trust Wallet on your Android device. To download Trust Wallet on iPhone, go to App Store. Once you open your App Store, go to the search button at the bottom right now. In the search box, type in Trust Wallet answered. As soon as you find the application, simply tap on the Get button and download the application on your device. Once the download is done, you'll be able to find the application on your app drawer. That is how you can easily download Trust Wallet on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send you back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.